Good morning, Dairy Road Discovery friends. Happy Mother's Day week. I'm here with Adeline and Caleb. We are going to show you a really easy breakfast or snack idea that you can make for your mama or your grandma, or your aunt, or any loved one that takes care of you. Mamas are always cooking you guys breakfast, right? So this week we thought it would be good if you guys could make something for your mom. Maybe surprise her one morning with the help of Dad. All right, so we're going to be making cinnamon sugar toast. It's really easy and you can do almost all of it. Are you ready to get started? All right, first thing you'll need is you'll need some bread. We've got some bread here. You need some butter. Got our butter. You need some sugar. We've got our sugar in here. Some cinnamon. And you'll need a knife that's not sharp. See, this one is a plastic knife, a kid knife. So Adeline and Caleb can both use it safely. And a spoon for mixing the sugar and the cinnamon together. And then we'll also need a teaspoon. So make sure you have all your things ready, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so Adeline is all ready here. She's got a slice of bread, and she is gonna place it inside the toaster. Now the toaster is not on, so it's not very hot. So make sure you ask Mom or Dad to help you to make sure it's not too hot for you to touch. Adeline, do you wanna go ahead and put your toast, or your piece of bread into the toaster? It's not hot. And just drop it in like that. Good job. And Caleb got a little start on his toast. We'll get a new one for Caleb. And we're going to stick it in the toaster. Now Adeline's going to carefully take this part of the toaster and push it down. You don't know. Ready? Down. All right. So now the bread is going to toast. We can't touch it because the toaster can get hot. All right, so while we're waiting for our toast to get, our bread to get toasted, we are going to start mixing the cinnamon and the sugar together. So Adeline has a glass bowl here. She's got her cinnamon, and we've got our sugar. And she's going to take a half a teaspoon of each and put it in the bowl and mix it together. You ready? All right, which one do you want to start with? That was the sound of our toast.
Is it done?
Yep. All right, good job. Put that in the bowl. Very good. And then she's going to take half a teaspoon of sugar. Very good. All right, now you can take your spoon and mix it up. Can you see it? She's mixing the cinnamon and the sugar all up. It's going to be so tasty on our toast. Does it smell good? All right. All right, so as you can see, our bread is nice and toasted. The toaster is a little hot from being turned on and toasting our bread, so I'm going to help Adeline and Caleb get their bread out. I'm going to stick it on their plate. Caleb, here's yours. And now we are going to put our butter on. All right, so Adeline is going to stick her knife in our tub of butter. It's nice and soft, and she's going to spread it on our toast. Good job. Spread it all over. All right, so Adeline has spread her butter all over her toast, and now we're ready to sprinkle on our cinnamon and sugar. So Adeline, you're just going to take this spoon, and you're going to shake it all over, make it even on all the sides, okay? Just a tiny bit more. That looks delicious. Good job, Adeline. How's it look?
Yummy.
Yummy. All right. And now the next part is to cut it in half so it's easy for Mama to pick up and eat. Can you cut it in half with your knife?
It's really easy. It's crispy.
So Adeline has just finished making her cinnamon toast with butter, cinnamon, and sugar. I'm ready to taste it. Can I taste it? It's really yummy. Good job, Adeline. Thank you for making me some toast. All right, thanks for making cinnamon sugar toast with us to celebrate our mamas this week. I hope you guys get a chance to make it for your mama or grandma or aunt or whatever loved one is taking care of you all week. And happy Mother's Day, moms. Have a good day.